If you work from home, then I have a few product suggestions in this video that any modern home office needs to help with your day-to-day life. It can be a great springboard for your ideas as you continue to update and refine your own workspace. So let's begin. Consider getting an ergonomic chair with a lot of adjustabilities. This one is called the Kafo Chair Premium, and it was sent to me all the way from Japan to try out. I was pleasantly surprised at how premium the unboxing experience was because the instructions and the provided tools were levels above my expectations. Most impressive is the build quality, as this chair truly does feel premium. The seat itself is wide, allowing for different body shapes and sizes to fit comfortably, and the lumbar support is really good. It even has a built-in hook and coat hanger, which is very handy. This chair features so much adjustability that you are sure to find a setting that's perfect just for you. And when you're on your break, kick your feet up and enjoy a few minutes of relaxation. Now, I gotta be honest, this chair is currently not being sold in the US, which is very disappointing. But who knows, maybe if they get enough interest, things could change. I'm sure you can find similar options here in the US that offer this much adjustability, this type of style, this comfort, and maybe even this build quality. But I guess I'm just a little bummed out that you can't find this particular chair because it's really good. These days, smart devices have become pretty much a must-have for anyone working from home. From voice assistants to smart lighting, they're making it easier to stay productive and comfortable. Some of the best smart home devices I use come from Aqara, such as this Hub G3 camera that I have installed in my studio. It's a friendly-looking 2K resolution smart camera that can rotate a full 360 degrees. This camera is AI-powered, which means it can recognize people or even pets, but you can also manually control it using the Aqara app. It even has its own privacy mode where it covers the camera completely. You can place this camera virtually anywhere. They even included a 1/4-inch screw underneath for easy mounting, but I decided to place it on top of this 3D printed holder. And since it's AI powered, it's able to recognize familiar faces, which means that it can trigger personalized automations when you enter your home office. For example, it can recognize gestures to trigger said automations. Not only is it super useful as a security camera, but it's also a smart home hub that supports HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Home. Plus, it connects up to 128 devices for seamless home automation, perfect for my Aqara T1 LED light strip and FP2 presence sensor. The light strip has 16 million vibrant colors, tunable white light, and customizable effects that can add functionality and a modern feel to any workspace. It's cuttable, extendable up to 10 meters, and even IP44 rated for outdoor use. It even has a built-in microphone to sync lighting effects with your music. The Aqara Presence Sensor FP2 can detect up to 5 people simultaneously in a 40-meter square area and can trigger automations based on their position. In my case, every time I approach the workbench, the light strip turns on, illuminating the space. It's not triggered by motion, so even if I stayed still in this space for a while, it's not going to shut off on me. The app lets me fine-tune the sensor, making the experience even more reliable. So once I step away from the space, the FP2 will trigger the LED lights to turn off. It's like an automated home, but without having to use voice commands, which is really, really cool. So aside from the fact that Aqara did sponsor this segment of the video, I have been using their products for a while now, and I genuinely love them. They are currently running a sale, so if I were you, I would definitely take advantage of that. All the links will be provided in the description box. Just about any home office needs a keyboard, but you can elevate that experience by getting a high-quality mechanical keyboard. There's a lot of different keyboards to choose from, but personally, I like the slim ones because they look modern and sleek without losing that tactile feel. My current favorite is the iQnix MG65 Pro mechanical keyboard. The aluminum feels awesome, and although it's wireless, I use the coiled cable just for the aesthetics, and the RGB lighting is just enough. On top of the elegant typing experience the keycaps and switches provide, it has a rotary knob for volume and dedicated media controls, and it even has this hidden USB dongle. And of course, it feels and sounds amazing. A modern home office setup definitely needs modern headphones. So the ones that I really like have noise canceling features. This one in particular has been my favorite for the last year, and it's the Dyson OnTrax. I actually made a video about them that you can watch in the link above, but the reason why I really like them is for the style. Also, they have really good sound transparency. But if you're more into the musical experience, I highly recommend you check out the Bowers & Wilkins PX8. To me, they are still unbeatable when it comes to sound, but they are kind of pricey. Who knows, maybe during Black Friday sale, you might get a good deal. But to me, they're still the best sounding Bluetooth headphones that I currently own. Noise cancellation is actually pretty decent, but the sound transparency is a little bit lacking. At least they're comfortable to wear though, and they feel very, very premium. And if you're someone who values design and build quality, you're not going to be disappointed by the Bowers & Wilkins. I know that the previous model, the PX7S2, is currently on sale on Amazon at the time of this video, so maybe check those out because I've heard really, really great reviews about those headphones as well. Now, if you don't like wearing headphones, you can opt for smart speakers. I currently have 2 HomePod minis and 1 HomePod in the garage studio, and listening to music out of these 3 speakers is really, really nice. Plus, I can use voice commands to play music and control other smart devices. I know it's tempting to charge your smaller devices using the ports on your computer, but consider getting a dedicated charger. Better if it's away from your desk. Not only will it declutter your space, but it's also a more efficient way to charge multiple devices. There's a lot of them out there and they all offer different features and number of ports, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. My only real recommendation is choose one that uses GaN technology, as it uses a more efficient way of charging devices, thus making it faster. At this point in time, docks may be very common at home, but it's one of those things that really transform your home workspace into a modern setup. The important thing to know about docks is that you want something that's super reliable. And for me, the most reliable dock that I've used is the CalDigit TS4. This dock gives you 18 ports and high-speed connectivity, perfect for people who use multiple monitors or even multiple computers. It also gives you the convenience of having an SD card slot and an aux port in front. There are multiple ways of placing this on top of your desk, but I personally like to mount it underneath my desk for easy access. So think of this dock as a central hub for your computer and monitors and any other peripherals that you need connected. I think we need to accept that the built-in webcams on most laptops really aren't that great. So I highly recommend you get a high-quality webcam, such as this OBSBot Tiny 2 4K camera. This camera is AI powered and honestly just has an amazing picture quality. It has a bunch of different features and gesture controls, and I've actually featured this camera many times in the channel before. I like it because it's plug and play, making it super easy to use, very portable, and very reliable. Using cable boxes to manage your cables is pretty good, but I think you can step it up by using a cable management solution that's mounted under your desk, such as this one by Ergonomic. I prefer this method because it keeps the floor free from any loose cables, and at the same time, it gives you easier access to some of the plugs that you might need. You can definitely find similar products out there with different sizes and functionalities. And since we're on the topic of cables, I really like these magnetic coiled cables by Magtame because it keeps everything nice and tidy when you're not using them. They come in different lengths and connection types, and there are other brands that sell similar products that you can find on Amazon. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed these product suggestions that can help turn your traditional home office into a more modern one. If you have any other suggestions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And a like and definitely a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys again soon. And until then, take care.